Worcestershire, Worcestershire, Worcestershire. The way you pronounce this will vary depending on where you're from. Most people do not pronounce the R, so if someone asks you to pass the Worcestershire sauce, don't be worried if it sounds a little different than the way you say it. Ultimately, it is up to you to decide which pronunciation feels the most natural for you. You can choose one of the options from this video, or search and find the option that you think sounds the best or feels the most comfortable. It's important to find a pronunciation that works well for you. So take some time to consider your options, make a decision that feels right. Let us know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns down in the comments section. Thanks for watching. See you soon.